Welcome to the world of giant wood cutters. Let's explore the power and speed that advanced machines bring, as well as useful applications in forestry. SP561LF accessory on the Valmet 911.3 is equipped with a powerful motor. This dynamic duo demonstrates high cutting power and the perfect combination of power and precision that transforms the forest with professional cuts. Experience the dynamic logging efficiency of the Rotnay AHD and the Malwa 560.4C, a powerful combination in ability. Introducing the Malwa 560H, a compact yet powerful forestry harvester with an impressive cutting capacity of 20 inches. This handles aged logs with ease. Unleash the sheer power and speed of a V8 powered hot saw that can easily cut through 30-inch logs in less than 2 seconds. Embark on a logging journey with the LogMax 2000T harvester head, turning the forest into a with an incredible cutting capacity of up to 30 inches. This machine combines power and craftsmanship seamlessly. Experience the raw power of the Echo CS620SX chainsaw. With a powerful 59.8cc engine, this beast delivers a formidable 4.6 horsepower. The 24-inch bar easily navigates through the hardest wood. With an outstanding wood cutting capacity of 6 meters, this beast has a powerful 59.8cc engine and a 24-inch guide bar. The Echo CS620SX saw conquers giant tree trunks in the middle of the winter wonderland. In the heart of the Swedish wilderness is the Rotnay H8 and LogMax 4000B team up to conquer towering trees. Equipped with an 8-wheel drive system, moving with high precision makes the process of handling wood trunks easy. A giant wooden trunk was processed by this modern sewing machine in a short time with high precision. The Husqvarna 395 XP is a true lumber giant in the chainsaw world. With a powerful 94cc engine and an incredible 7.1 horsepower, this chainsaw easily handles the toughest wood chopping jobs. Immerse yourself in the intricate dance of modern wood carving, as the sharp blades of advanced machines delicately carve wood with precision that far exceeds your expectations. Dense bushes are no longer a problem when this advanced machine appears. With an impressive 120cc engine capacity and through the massive tree stumps. The 36-inch guide bar ensures precision in every powerful cut. Enter the world of wood sawing with a powerful machine where precision meets efficiency. This wood splitter easily turns large logs into manageable pieces. The Tapio 400 represents the perfect combination of strength and dexterity that meticulously transforms giant tree trunks into smaller parts, making it an indispensable tool for forestry operations. The operator, protected by advanced technology, controls the machine precisely with ergonomic controls. A panoramic view helps harvest plants efficiently and comfortably. With a 20-inch guide bar, the Husqvarna 420EL easily handles large logs with great power and efficiency. An artistic masterpiece was expressed through the hands of this man. With the man's creativity, a homemade machine was born to help cut large logs easily and effectively, saving working time during the day. A chainsaw with a formidable powerful motor, this machine moves gracefully through the heart of the ancient wooden block, ensuring precision at extreme speeds. Witness the seamless combination of power and agility as the Malwa 460.4C boasts impressive cutting power as it moves through the forest, turning towering trees into precision cuts. The chainsaw is meticulously crafted to turn wood into smaller, easier to use pieces. With smart and customizable designs, wood cutting work becomes easy and effective. The perfect combination of people and homemade sewing machines has helped the work of sawing wood save a lot of time and effort. A close-up of the process of cutting a log with a man's homemade saw. Dive into the world of efficient woodworking with the Rebak Walkaway RP200, a roller wood chipper that expertly turns wood into small pieces. Experience the outstanding performance of the Stihl MS291 chainsaw. With its powerful 55.5cc engine, it delivers a formidable 3.8 horsepower, helping to quickly handle any type of wood. The Malwa 560 is a forestry harvester that is reshaping the logging landscape. Equipped with a powerful motor that combines power and agility to transform towering trees into precise cuts. Embark on a journey to explore the forest with Anders Carlsen in Nalavi, Verestrup. Advanced machinery and skilled operators have made logging easy and time-saving, bringing high efficiency. The Stihl MS171 chainsaw is a compact machine designed for its versatility. With a 31.8cc engine providing 1.3 kilowatts of power, it's ideal for a wide range of cutting jobs. Witness the superior cutting capabilities of the Ennen RP200 Super Chainsaw as it expertly handles these logs. With its powerful motor, this machine delivers unmatched cutting power. These devices are vital to modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video.